So, what if your favorite old family photographs didn't have to stay frozen in time?
Hello, sweetheart. It is so wonderful to see you today. Thank you for keeping our family memories alive. I love you.
Today, I'm going to show you how to use free, simple AI tools to make your ancestors smile, blink, and step out of the past. No tech experience required. Let's bring those memories to life. We will use AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and HeyGen. I'm going to show you step by step how to bring your precious family photos to life. No tech degree required, I promise. Let's do it together. Now, here is a little secret. Old photos can be a bit blurry and faded or scratched. And if we try to animate a blurry photo, the AI gets a little confused. So, we want to clean it up first. We need to get our old paper photo into our computer or phone. I like to use ChatGPT or Google Gemini for this step. I am using ChatGPT here. Just upload the old photo by tap this plus sign and type or talk restore this photo and send. I wanted colors, so I asked again. Make this photo look like it was taken in 2026. Now, download this restored photo. If you have old photos that you want to restore, try this with ChatGPT or Gemini on your phone. Now for the best part. We aren't just going to make our family members move. We are going to let them speak to us. For this, we are using a wonderful tool called HeyGen. You can sign in using Google account you already have easily on your first visit to HeyGen. You can make 3 videos per month, videos up to 1 minute free. You can always upgrade your plan if you want, make more. When you open HeyGen, look for a feature called Avatars. On the right top, tap New Avatar. We tap Create a virtual character, tap Upload photo. Upload restored photo. I type avatar name, Grandpa, and tap Create. HeyGen lets you pick a voice that fits your grandpa perfectly. But if you want to make it truly magical and you happen to have an old home video or a cassette tape of their real voice, you can upload a short clip of it right here. HeyGen will clone their real voice so it sounds exactly like them speaking to you today. You can pick the voice from library and listen which one sounds good, and add to avatar or skip it and let HeyGen select the voice for you.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen. A great voice clone should sound clear.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen. A great
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen. A great voice.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen.
If you want to select Ronald, tap Default, but I let Hagen select the voice. Now we have Grandpa Avatar and click and tap Use in Video. Next, we need something for him to say. Tap Add a script. You can write a beautiful greeting yourself, or you can ask Gemini or ChatGPT to help you write a short, heartwarming message from that era. Just type that message right into the text box. Here's my message. Now we have Grandpa avatar and voice picked. Before tap Send button, make sure you check Setting and have right size video. I want my video 16 by 9 landscape. 9 by 16 is vertical size like phone. Now, Generate button.
Hello, sweetheart. It is so wonderful to see you today. Thank you for keeping our family memories alive. I love you.
You can download this video into your device by tap this. Every single time I see an old photo come to life like that, it just takes my breath away. It brings our history right into the present moment, and it's a beautiful gift to share with your kids and grandchildren. You can try this without spending any money. Would you like to make your parents, grandparents smile and talk again? If Nana can do it, you can too. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Nana's Easy AI so we can keep learning together. Thank you for watching and God bless you.
Learning AI can be easy and fun.